All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to use the sum formula within Excel. So that's adding different numbers together to find the sum. So I have here the inventory from Elephant Central, our school store up here. So let's enter information as if we were placing a hypothetical new order. So I'm just going to type new order so I know what numbers I'm entering. And in this column, I would go through and enter all the numbers or all the quantities that I'm ordering. So just for an example here, we'll just type in some numbers. These are just numbers that I'm making up, so they're not going to be correct because I don't know if we need 425 bags of spicy Doritos. Could be wrong. Okay, so here, just as an example of sum, so now if I want to find my new inventory total, so I'm going to put new inventory total. I want to find that information. So I had 2 binders before and I ordered 45. Well, now I want to know how many I have. So I'm going to use a formula. All my formulas in Excel begin with an equal sign. I'm finding the sum. The sum is when you add numbers together. So I just type sum, open a parentheses, click on one item, on one number, and then I'm going to put the enter sign, the comma sign. You can see right here, it tells you exactly what to do. So I put my comma. Now I'm going to select my second number and close my parentheses. And that tells me that I ordered 47 binders. I could go through and do that for all of them, or I can just use the autofill. See this little black kind of box on the bottom right-hand corner of my selected cell? When I hover my mouse over it, it changes from the white big cross to the little like addition sign. So when I click on that, I left click and I keep holding down and I can drag that all the way down and it'll go through and run that same formula for all of the rows that I selected. So you can see through here that it added all of those, and then these numbers didn't change because I didn't order any more in my new inventory, so those were not affected. Let's say I wanted to find the total number of items I have in my inventory now. I could either do the same thing with type in a plus sign and find my sum that way, or I can use the formula tab on the ribbon. So I've selected my cell where I want it. Now I'm just going to click up here on my auto sum icon, tap on sum. It's selected all the information that I want. If I wanted something different, I could just type it in right here. But since that's what I want, I'm going to press enter. And now I can see that I have 3,555 items in my hypothetical inventory of Elephant Central, our school store. So let me know if you have questions. Hope that helps.